everybody. Hope you're doing good. In today's video, if your charger is plugged in your laptop or your computer and it's not working, today in this video we are going to fix it. If your battery is not charging, you may just follow up these steps in order to fix it. So the first thing you might do is you can head over and go ahead and search for troubleshoot and open up your troubleshoot settings when you're in your system. And once you are here, go ahead and look out for this option for other troubleshooters and open it up. Now, once you are here, you may just go ahead and look out for the power option here. Here you should be finding a power option. If you do not have a power options, go ahead and update your Windows to the latest version. And that should probably solve that issue for now. But what you may do is just go ahead and search the troubleshoot for power and open up your troubleshooting settings and go ahead and search for power and click on run. After that, you can just go ahead and complete the troubleshooting for your power and close this up right here. The next step you can do is you can head over to Device Manager, search for Device Manager and open it up on your control panel. From here, you can go ahead and look out for this third option called Batteries, expand it and go ahead and look out for a Microsoft AC adapter and right click on it and go ahead and click on Update Driver. Once you do so, you can select this option to search automatically for drivers. And you can see that says the best drivers for your device had already been installed. If it says so, what you can do is right click on it, go ahead and select this option for install device. And you can just go ahead and confirm that you would like to install this device. Once it is installed, you need to restart your computer. Go to the search and go for this power and go for restart and go ahead and restart it. Once you restart your computer, you can go ahead and go over your device manager again. And this time go to action and go ahead and select this option for scan for how it changes. And once you do so, it will give you your Microsoft AC adapter again on your device, and that should probably fix out your issue. And that's it. So for now, you may follow this method, restart your computer, plug in your charger again and see if that works for you. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.